Hey guys, today this is so weird. This is so weird because you know this guy over here. This guy, it's Superlex Place. You know him? This guy, I always see this guy every YouTube comment. Yup, every YouTube comment. And this guy always the first comment. Look, I'm gonna show a video for you. Wait. I see this guy again. Wait. It's Cherry Chupa Productions Gaming. Yep, she's a YouTuber. That's her. Oh my god. I'm gonna show you something. I don't know what video